Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Assad and I work with implementation specialists. So in today's video, we'll take a look at what Copilot can do in Business Central. So as you all know, it's all about AI now. So Microsoft has introduced multiple Copilot functionalities in Business Central. So the first thing that you would see up here is the Copilot, where you can basically ask to find something, explain or guide something, or just about any information, right? So we'll take a look at that in a minute. We'll go ahead and start with the items, right? The first thing that I want to show you is uh, what Copilot can do in the items. As I'm in the analysis list, I came out of the analysis list. All right, so on the items list, if you scroll down on the more information side, as you would see that if you open an item, for example, Athens desk, we have opened, you can see here the Copilot is ready. It says, do you want to create a marketing draft? So let's go ahead and ask the Copilot to draft a marketing text for us. So basically, Copilot has generated a beautiful marketing text. Elevate your workspace with a sleek and sturdy Athens. Discover ultimate blend of style and functionality with Athens Desk. So basically, it's pretty nice, neat and clean. You can always regenerate the text if you want it to different or casual. You can change the tone to formal, casual. You can change the formatting if you just need a paragraph and a tagline, or just a paragraph or just a tagline. And you can also say what where to emphasize, if it's the elegance, reliability, sustainability, innovation, right? So different options you have. It gives you different options so that you can create marketing text based on what you want it to be. I'll go ahead and keep this one because I like the way it has generated. So it's basically saved. So now you can basically sync this field to your website, your e-commerce connector. If you have a Shopify or just about another one, you can always use these fields and present it on your website, right? So it's pretty cool how Copilot is working in BC. Well, the next thing that I want to show is let's go to the items. And as you can see, pretty much you would see Copilot in all the pages and lists and windows. And if I click here to switch to analysis view, and now I have a list of all the items. It says to create a new analysis. I want to say yes. I want to look at item number, description, unit cost, or item category, right? Item category, and maybe unit price. All right. So basically, we have give it a prompt, and it has created a nice analysis view with a list, right? And if I want to say group by items category, I want to see, like, with the category wise, what do I have and what's the price. So it basically gives you all the categories: chairs, desk, tables. And let's say I have 11 chairs, and these are the prices for each chair. And you can always add more filters, based on the pricing, chairs less than $100, $200, Um, so basically, it does helps you in analysis view. So that's another pretty cool feature. I'll go ahead and give it a thumbs up right here on the feedback. And the next thing that we want to look at is, as I promised in the start of the video, we'll take a look at this menu, what it does. It is still growing and getting mature. However, we can still do a ton of things with it. For example, a customer calls in and he just wants a chair, like maybe like an order that I have, and he just says each year he only wants to spend $500 or less, right? So I'll just go ahead and say chairs in stock, right? Chairs in stock under 500. All right. So basically it's working on it. It's fetching the data from the tables, understanding the data, it's checking the price, and it would basically pull up all the relevant chairs that are available under $500, right? So basically it has pulled up multiple chairs, and basically it saves us multiple steps. I'll go ahead and give it a thumbs up, right? And you can do more, basically, find customers that owe more than $500 or $5,000, So basically multiple inputs you can give, and it would create outputs accordingly. One more thing that I want to explain here is bank reconciliation. It's another cool thing that it does. We went to bank reconciliation, we created a new one. In this case, since I do not want to import a bank statement again, I already have one. So I have opened that. At the top right, you would see that it's asking if you want to reconcile or post difference to GL, right? I'll say go ahead and reconcile it. As you can see, it's blank right now on both sides. However, it says 66.7% of the lines are matched. Review match proposals. So I will take a look. It has basically matched these transactions 2743 and 4115. So it works pretty well. I like that. It's as I said, right? Copilot is new. It's still growing. It's basically just the start, but it does a lot of cool things in Business Central. So overall, um, it's just the start. We're gonna get a lot of new agents now. It's time for agents to come in to play, do a lot of work for us. So it's just the start, and we are going to experience some exciting times. Yeah, so these are all the basically cool features that Copilot can do right now in Business Central. I hope you liked the video, and we'll go ahead and see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.